In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Slack. Whether you're updating your contact information due to a job change or simply switching to a new preferred email, changing your email address on Slack is a straightforward process. Follow these steps and you'll have the change made in no time. First, open Slack in your web browser and log in with your current credentials. Navigate to the top right corner of your Slack workspace and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Profile and Account. This section is essentially the control center for your Slack account, allowing you to manage personal information and account settings. Next, within the Profile and Account section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Account Settings. Click on this, and you'll be directed to another page where all your account details are laid out. It's here that you'll see your current email address displayed alongside other important details of your account. Now, look for the Email section. To the right, you'll find the option to Expand. Clicking here will reveal more options, including one to change your email address. Slack will prompt you to enter your current password as a security measure, ensuring it's you who's making the changes. After entering your password, type in your new email address in the provided field. Once you've entered your new email and confirmed it, click on Save Changes. A confirmation email will be sent to your new email address. This is a vital step, as you need to verify the new email to complete the process of changing it within Slack. Check your inbox for the verification email from Slack. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Inside the email, you'll find a link. Click on it to verify your new email address. Congratulations! Your email change is now complete. It's worth noting that changing your email address in Slack does not affect your access to the app. You will still remain part of all workspaces to which you were previously subscribed, with no interruptions to your communications or history. Nevertheless, remember to update your backup email and any related notifications or preferences if needed. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to updating your email address in Slack. Keeping your contact information current helps ensure seamless communication in your professional life. Thanks for watching and happy Slacking. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content.